Hello viewers, this is Shana Home Decor. I hope you're in good health and enjoying my videos. If you're liking the content which I am uploading, please like, share and subscribe my channel. This is a very small channel and your support is crucial for us. In today's video, we are bringing some amazing ideas of wooden decks in your courtyard. Courtyards or backyards, front yards, whatever it is, they are the perfect places to bring nature inside your home and to connect with the nature. With a little effort, they can be transformed into warm and cozy places to relax and make your time fruitful, enjoying the beauty of nature. Wooden decks are an amazing idea to decorate or to enhance the beauty of your courtyard. On floor decks, you can create benches for sitting. You can place some furniture to sit if you are not in favor of built-in benches. In a corner, you can create your outdoor kitchen, a barbecue spot, or whatever activities you want. There, you can decorate your deck beautifully. But when you're creating your deck, some things are very important to note down before designing. On which parts of your courtyard you are going to create a deck? How much is the sun time there? For how much time sun remains there? Do you need a shade there or just a deck is enough for you? As at a corner, are you going to create a level deck on a height? Can you create some built-in seating there that doesn't require moving furniture here and you're in different weathers? If you have a taller tree there, so how you will have to cover that tree, that is definitely going to affect the design of your deck. It is going to be round, triangle, a circle, or a rectangle. It is definitely according to the space available for your deck. A leveled deck that has 2 or 3 heights available for sitting is also an amazing idea. And 2 different levels you can create 2 different places for sitting. Even if you are short on space, then too you can create a smaller deck. There you can place even your own armchair and you can create a beautiful green wall there with some climbers or plants in the wall. Some backyard decks require pergolas on them if you need a protection from sun or rain. But if you're in love with the sun, then without pergola too, that is an amazing idea. You will receive lots of sunshine there and the surrounding area of deck can be decorated with lots of local shrubs and flowers and grasses. Deck helps you to create a cozy corner of your home where you can enjoy your evening tea, or you can call your guests and you can spend a quality time there. They're an amazing way of staying close to nature, even with the smaller space. You can create it and you can surround it with flowers and plants and grass. This video contains an amazing variety of wooden decks for your courtyard, and you can choose from them styles, designs, architecture. They are just amazing ideas. We worked hard in collecting all these ideas. So if you are liking this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe this video and comment for my channel. If there is something related to home decor that you want to watch, please write us in comment section and we will bring for you in future. Don't forget to press the bell icon so you get a notification whenever we are uploading a video. Wooden decks have amazing benefits in connecting you with nature and making and giving you a corner of your home that is fantastic, where you can spend a happy time with your family or your friends. Even a little